Today we're going to unbox the new ProMaster Unplugged M400 2-light kit, also available for rentals. Check out the cool bag it comes in, great handle for hauling, rollers for getting it around. This bad boy is going to take a lot of wear and tear. Let's take a look what's inside. So inside, padded top, make sure the stuff inside doesn't get hurt. We've got ourselves two separate light stands that it comes with, all nicely boxed up so they're not damaged. Another padded piece here, a couple of reflectors, and the bad boys. Each of these unplugged M400 wireless light kits. These are monolights, got a built-in battery. You can charge them up and use them all day long. Don't even have to plug them in. And for on top of your camera, here we go. This is going to be your transmitter. And each one of these is going to catch that signal from your camera and you're going to be able to fire away without any wires. How cool is that? Along with these monolights comes the chargers for the monolights, as well as a couple diffusers that'll fit right over here to soften that light as it's coming down. Each one of these monolights gives me 360 full power flashes on a full charge. That's a full day's work, very easily done. Nice instruction manual, and lots of these really cool things that keep everything dry. All right, that's the ProMaster M400 2-light kit, available here at Camera Corner.